Hello! Backyard, front porch, side porch, or patio, we're here to make sure you don't take a single inch of outdoor space for granted. Let's talk about why your next big design project should be revamping your outdoor space. Having an on-trend home doesn't have to come with a huge price tag. Showroom Steals is all about breaking down the latest trends and providing tips and tricks to get the same look in your home for less. In the last few years, there's been a real focus on personalizing and customizing outdoor spaces. Not only does it increase the square footage of available hosting and hanging space in your home, but it also helps connect you to nature. Sitting outside, watching the birds, feeling the breeze, and even just sitting with your toes in the grass helps create a sense of calm in a busy and stressful world. Transform a porch or patio into an outdoor room and bring all the interior essentials your whole family will love. Here's how to get started. Treat your patio or deck like any other design project. To keep from getting overwhelmed, break the project into layers. The size of your porch, patio, backyard, or deck helps determine what outdoor furniture will be the right fit for your home. For a small balcony or patio, a small bistro set with a side table or garden stool offers just enough space for 2 people to put their feet up. A large sectional is great for a big family who loves to lounge and works well for entertaining. Place a coffee table in front and you've got enough room for guests to place their drinks and appetizers during a cocktail party or barbecue. Pay attention to what your furniture is made of. Wrought iron and teak are both durable and sturdy materials that will stand the test of time. PE rattan, synthetic wicker, or recycled plastic furniture are all incredibly durable and handle moisture and mildew well. These 2 items work to frame the space, creating a metaphorical floor and ceiling in your outdoor space. Look for an indoor-outdoor rug made with materials like polyester or polypropylene that hold up to the elements. Starting with a rug makes it easy if you're still feeling undecided about a color scheme. Pull colors from your rug pattern or color and repeat them in other pieces of furniture and decor. Buy the biggest size you can afford for your space. A too small umbrella looks mismatched with a large set of furniture. An offset or cantilever style looks great perched over a large seating area and provides ample sun protection. For even more sun protection over lounge chairs, try an oversized garden umbrella. The right lighting can transform a space when the sun goes down. While you can never go wrong with bistro-style lights, there are other fun ways to add extra light. Think about the style of your space. Are you going for more of a rustic modern farmhouse style? Then a wood-burning fire pit, chiminea, a fire pit kit, or an electrical fireplace might be best. A wood-burning fire pit is a classic and feels like an upgrade from a campfire. If your patio is sleek and modern, a cool gas fire pit or fire pit table will fit right in. Now it's time for the fun part. Side tables give you a place to perch your cold drink, while planters and plants of different sizes add color and texture. If you're looking for a place to put your feet up, a woven pouf or ottoman can double as a side table. Pile on throw pillows in fun colors and textures, drape a blanket or 2, and add in a few decorative objects. Here's a fun project for your porch or patio. Instead of a planter with just one type of flower, do one planting project and get weeks worth of beautiful blooms. Try layering chilled bulbs. Start with a large planter and some potting soil. Put 2 inches of potting soil in the bottom of the container and add your largest, latest blooming bulbs in a layer on top of that. Add the next layer, 2 inches of dirt first, and then layer the tulip bulbs on top of that. If you have questions, your local Lowe's Garden Center can help. Repeat this process for the last layer, again, layering dirt and your crocus bulbs. Then cover the crocus bulbs with an inch or 2 of soil. Place your planter outside and enjoy all of the beauty they'll bring to your yard or porch. Making your yard, porch, or patio space as comfortable as a room inside your home makes it a breeze to spend more time outside. In fact, it might become your family's new favorite room. Like and subscribe to our channel and tune in for more show-stopping design and DIY ideas. See you next time!